Welcome back to Super Stubborn Animal, where we dive into the most fascinating creatures you can barely believe exist. Today we're talking about one of the most mind-blowing and puzzling animals on the planet, the mantis shrimp. With superpowers that seem to defy the laws of physics, these little guys might just be the coolest animals in the entire ocean. And I'm not saying that lightly. Meet the ocean's superhero. If you think sharks or dolphins are the superheroes of the ocean, then you're wrong. Leading the charts for speed, strength, and the ability to break anything they want is the mantis shrimp. Despite only measuring about 10 centimeters, not even the size of a pencil, they pack a punch so powerful that they can smash through aquarium glass and leave you speechless. If you think you can throw a punch, try punching like a mantis shrimp, with speed so fast you can't even see it coming. So how on earth does it do this? Well, there's a secret, and we're about to uncover it. Super speed you can't even keep up with. Sure, you've heard of fast animals like cheetahs or the world's fastest marathon runners, but when it comes to mantis shrimp, well, they're in a whole new league. The mantis shrimp belongs to a category of ultra-fast animals, and we're not just talking about a quick punch, we're talking about a high-speed attack in the blink of an eye. These creatures have evolved to such an insane level of speed that, honestly, we can barely keep up with them. The raptorial claw is their superhero weapon. They use this claw in an ambush, snatching their prey from the ocean floor with lightning speed. The claw shoots out at such a fast pace that it can impale its prey before the fish has time to react. The superpower claw, nature's destructive weapon. Now let's dive deeper into the secret weapon of the mantis shrimp. Their claw isn't just strong, it's flexible too, which is crucial when it comes to catching and holding on to slippery prey. But how does one tiny claw pack such a powerful punch? First, there are the powerful muscles that spring-load the claw, much like pulling back a bowstring. The muscles engage, compressing the claw and locking it into place. When the time is right, the flexor muscle relaxes and the latch releases. The claw then snaps forward with crazy speed, catching its prey before they have a chance to escape. Mantis shrimp smashers, breaking everything in sight. Not all mantis shrimp attack the same way. Some species are equipped with smashing claws instead of spears. These smashing mantis shrimp are armed with clubs that strike with an astonishing speed of 31 meters per second. That's more than 100,000 meters per second squared of acceleration, faster than a speeding bullet. The force of their punch can generate around 340 pounds of force. That's thousands of times their own body weight. But here's the twist. When these shrimp strike, they don't just break shells. They create a weird phenomenon. It's called cavitation. This happens when the punch creates such a low-pressure area that it makes the surrounding water instantly vaporize. The bubble then collapses, releasing energy in the form of light, heat, and sound. This energy is so intense that it's like boiling water. The mantis shrimp essentially stuns its prey twice, once with the punch and again with the bubble. The science behind cavitation is a strange phenomenon that's been the subject of intense study. When Dr. Sheila Paddock and her team first discovered it, it was a game-changing moment in marine biology. The energy created by this collapse is so powerful that it heats up to temperatures comparable to the surface of the sun. And the mantis shrimp didn't accidentally create this bubble. It evolved to use this cavitation process to its advantage. This powerful force is necessary because mantis shrimp prefer prey with hard mineralized shells. snails, oysters, and other crustaceans. To break these hard shells, they need that massive punch. So while the fastest animals usually go for the fastest prey, mantis shrimp are the exception. They use their speed to hunt the slower creatures, the spring-loaded claw. Now let's take a look at how mantis shrimp generate so much force from their small bodies. They have a spring-loaded mechanism in their claws that stores potential energy. Think of it like pulling back the string of a bow. When the muscles of the mantis shrimp contract and lock the claw in place, energy is stored in a spring mechanism. When it's time to strike, that stored energy is released in an explosive burst. It's the perfect example of how evolution took a simple idea, potential energy, and turned it into a supercharged weapon. Mantis shrimp's amazing eyes. If all of this wasn't enough, the mantis shrimp has one more crazy feature: its eyes. These eyes are considered the most complex in the entire animal kingdom. While humans have 3 types of photoreceptors in our eyes, mantis shrimp have 12 to 16. They can see ultraviolet light and polarized light, which are invisible to us. But that's not all. Their eyes can move independently, and each eye has trinocular vision, giving them almost a 360-degree view of their environment. The role of mantis shrimp in science. The incredible biology of the mantis shrimp hasn't just amazed zoologists, it's inspired us to develop new technologies. Materials scientists are studying the structure of the mantis shrimp's claws to develop stronger, more flexible materials. Researchers in optics are designing cameras based on the mantis shrimp's unique vision, which could help with everything from underwater exploration to detecting cancer cells. From its lightning-fast punches to its unbelievable eyesight, the mantis shrimp is a living testament to how nature can create the most mind-boggling biological features. These tiny creatures might not be the most famous animals in the ocean, but they're definitely among the most impressive. Their unique adaptations have inspired researchers in fields ranging from robotics to cancer detection, and the discoveries are still just beginning. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Super Stubborn Animal, and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into the animal kingdom. See you next time as we explore more bizarre and amazing creatures.